Okay, action.
Alright, this is another favorite of mine. It's brand new actually. I just bought this recently. It's a medium-sized Givenchy cowhide leather medium-sized bag. And it's in my favorite color of all time, dark purple. So my favorite part is that it has this handle and you can also carry it as a handbag. Put anything inside and there's compartments, little pockets. You can put your cell phone and your credit cards and everything in there safely. So again, I've never used this, but it caught my eye the very first time that I saw it. I fell in love with it. So to you guys, to whoever buys this, to whoever wins that the bid, hopefully take care of this also because I love this bag so much and the color is my absolute favorite.
Pinas! Maraming salamat. Siyempre, talagang taus-pusong pasasalamat ko sa inyong lahat dahil sa binigay ninyong regalo sa akin na Best Actress Award. Wala po ako dyan para tanggapin ang aking award, pero dito po sa New York, nung nalaman ko ang news from Tony Gonzaga na nag-text sa akin, galing akong church. Thank you, Tones. Talagang nagulat ako and parang nag-flashback sa akin lahat ng mga paghihirap na naranasan namin sa paggawa ng pelikulang Boy Golden. Pero sa lahat ng tiwala, sa lahat ng naniwala, sa lahat ng nagtiwala, at sa lahat ng bumuo ng Boy Golden, sa lahat ng fans na hindi ako iniwan at talagang nandyan by my side at nagmamahal, sumusuporta sa mga kaibigan ko na nagmamahal sa akin, sa pamilya ko, sa management, kina Tita Bev Verhel at Coach Abby. Lahat kayo, you are the reason kung bakit inspired ako, kung bakit tinatrabaho ko itong pag-arte, at kayo ang dahilan kung bakit kung saan ko nakukuha yung confidence ko para ipagpatuloy itong trabahong ito na mahal talaga namin ang buong pamilya ko. So, work hard, dream big. I always say that, and I want to thank you for putting me here, for believing in me and giving me a chance na palawakin pa ang pwede kong maging kontribusyon dito sa industriya nito. Maraming salamat po ulit, and I will be home soon, Philippines. Love you.